Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Why does a microwave beep so many times? At the completion of a cook cycle, the oven will typically beep 3 to 5 times in an attempt to catch the attention of the operator, who often has the attention span of a fruit fly.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you leave the door open, nothing will happen. Nothing, except that the light will be on in your microwave oven. Microwave ovens are all made with an interlock switch, so that the oven can radiate its approximately 1,100 watts of RF energy only when the door is properly closed.
Let's help you make your mark.
It's quite safe to open the microwave before the beeping stops. The timer controls the magnetron which generates the microwaves. When it reaches the correct time, or when the door safety lock is unlatched, it kills the current to the magnetron and thus all of the microwaves.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Originally answered, if you open a microwave before the beep, will it release deadly microwave radiation? No. As soon as you start to open the door, the interlock will cut off power to the magnetron, stopping the microwave. So there will be no energy emitted at all.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.